Hey guys, hope you're doing well. So today's video, I'm going to tell you 12 ways to make money on Fiverr. All right, my name is Andy. I'm in the internet marketing since the last 2 years, and on my YouTube channel, I share some tips and tricks related to internet marketing. So if you want to keep learning making money online, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Fiverr.com has exploded as the premier source of micro outsource service on the internet. Thanks to a multi-millions dollars advertising campaign, it is increasingly very hard to find people who haven't at least heard about Fiverr. Not surprisingly, more and more business, both online and offline, are using the service over on Fiverr. As Fiverr's ability to draw clients continues to explode, the good news is that there is more and more demand for whatever service you offer to global market for digital services. Here are just 12 ways you can make money on Fiverr.com. Sure, it may seem that you're not getting paid much, but if you are able to knock out this service in a very short period of time and stack them with valuable extras, your income from Fiverr might translate to quite a hefty stash of cash. First, offer ebooks or reports you have written. Most of the services on Fiverr require you to work on custom job for you to get paid. In other words, the client sent you a specification and you produce fresh materials based on the specification. One of my most favorite ways of making money online turns that business model on its head. Instead of you working on new materials for every $5 order that comes your way, you can instead write ebook or report once and sell it again and again to different customers. As long as you clearly spell out that you are not selling resale right to your work and that you retain all copyright, you should be good to go. Second, offer social media services. It is not a surprise that a huge chunk of service offered on Fiverr involve Twitter posts, Facebook promotions, or Google Plus promotions. People are desperate to get traffic to their website and they don't mind paying $5 to drive traffic to the webpage. There are all sorts of traffic generation strategies that you can use for a few minutes to promote client sites. If the software doesn't take much work to set up, you can make $5 as little as 1 minute. That leads to a gross rate of $300 an hour. Third, create digital drawings. If you know how to use automated photo-based drawing tools, you can create digital drawing in no time flat. People are always looking for custom graphic based on their pictures. Fourth, research. Get paid to use Google for a research project. As long as you make sure that your research is tightly focused, you should be able to do research in a very short period of time. Fifth, become a virtual assistant. Depending on the country you live in, you can probably make a decent living selling an hour or two of your time doing a virtual assistant work for clients you find on Fiverr. 6, alter pictures or photos. If you know how to clear the backgrounds of the picture using Photoshop, You can make some serious cash through Fiverr. People are always looking to get the background crop of their pictures so they can use those pictures online. 7. Design business card. Companies are always in need of business card, and there's no shortage of demand for people with fairly basic skills who can design a business cards. Number 8. Take pictures with signs. One of the easiest ways to make money on Fiverr is to take picture of you holding up a sign standing next to a landmark in your area. 9. Design flyers. As an online entrepreneurship booms continues to grow, the needs for graphic designs has increased exponentially. 10. Write a review. If you are a fast writer and can knock out a 400 words review in less than 12 or 10 minutes, this can be a great gigs offer. People are always in need of reviews since customers often buy products or services after reading the review. 11. Make a video testimonial. If you look presentable and you can speak professionally in front of camera, you should offer video testimonials. This type of gigs is constantly one of the top sellers in Fiverr. Use software to produce SEO diagnostic results. There are tons of software that diagnose how healthy is a site in terms of search engine optimization or SEO. You can buy such a piece of software and offer to do some diagnose on Fiverr. Since these software packages don't take too long to operate, you can make quite a bit of cash here. The number 12, use software to find SEO keywords. The same analysis for SEO diagnosis above applies to SEO keywords. The big difference is you are producing a report composed of keywords. There is a huge demand for this service. Regardless of your skills level, there is something you can offer the global market for outsourced services. Get started on Fiverr today and start turning your spare time into cash. Okay friends, so in this video I have explained 12 ways to make money on Fiverr. So if you want to build a successful affiliate marketing business in a professional way, you can find the link in the description below. And if you find the information in this video is helpful to you, please like this video. It will help the algorithm a little bit. And if you have any question, you can also comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and please watch my other 2 videos here. These videos will show you tips and tricks related to affiliate marketing. You have a lovely day, and I'll see you in the next video.